another Grants Aviation trip report. Here I am flying in on Air Canada Flight 8132 from Calgary. This flight was on a Bombardier Q400. With the rather typical Dash 8 landing in Edmonton, it's time to get to my next flight. This was an exciting flight for me as it was the first time I had been on a Boeing 737 MAX. Let's see the engine view. Oh, awesome LEAP engines. Walking into the cabin, it was quite refreshing, being that I had been on 2 Q400s already that day. Here's my seat, seat 15A. Spoiler alert, this was the wrong seat. You've gotta be kidding me. Yes, it was the wrong seat. While I was at Chili's in Edmonton Airport, I got an email from Air Canada saying that I had been moved to seat 15A when I had previously selected seat 14A. So I went to 15A, and then I checked my boarding pass, and sure enough, it still said 14A. So I moved seats. Today I am on Air Canada Flight 241 with service from Edmonton to Vancouver. This flight spans 436 nautical miles and will take about an hour and 15 minutes to complete. The aircraft that will be operating this flight is Charlie Foxtrot Sierra November Uniform, a Boeing 737 MAX 8 that was built in June 2018, making it 3 years old. Without further ado, here's the takeoff runway 30 at Edmonton International Airport. Now that we have reached cruising altitude of 40,000 feet, I decided to watch a movie. One thing I will point out is that on Air Canada's in-flight entertainment system, ads do play before the movie, 2 to be exact. Each seat has a standard power outlet as well as a USB port. Air Canada's standard refreshments offering includes a beverage and a bag of pretzels. I was also given Air Canada's Clean Care Plus bag. I couldn't help but take pictures of the beautiful mountains that we're flying over. As we descend into Vancouver, I will definitely say that this was one of the best flights that I've been on. The crew was super nice, and one of the flight attendants even invited my friend and I up to the cockpit after the flight to meet the captain. The captain explained to us what he liked about the 737 MAX and how it is different from the 787 and the 767, which he previously flew. Now let's talk about the price. I bought a round-trip ticket from Victoria to Edmonton with stops in Calgary and Vancouver for $132 Canadian. That is unheard of when you're talking about Air Canada. When I booked this ticket, Air Canada was offering preferred seats for the same price as regular seats. Another great deal. That's it for this trip report. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.